EPS sheet automatic cutting line. Simple operation, automatic wire adjustment, high efficiency and stability. The production line is equipped with a mite removal conveying system, compatible with mechanical handling equipment. Achieve efficient operation, reduce labor cost. Stable and reliable hydraulic flipping board. This equipment is equipped with automatic straightening and automatic push plate system. The auxiliary time of the cutting process can be greatly reduced. Increase productivity. Cutting process. Vibration cutting system equipped with frequency conversion speed regulation. According to the density and aging time of the board, adjust vibration and cutting speed. Achieve efficient and stable cutting. Vertical cut with wheeled wire rack. Increase wire change speed and dimensional accuracy. Scrap recycling system takes shortcut to factory safety. Reduce manpower. Prevent the high layer board from falling onto the sensor to cause malfunction. Broken block wire rack is equipped with a quick adjuster for easy wire pitch adjustment. Equipped with a fixed datum alignment frame on one side. One side is equipped with a mobile alignment frame. Ensure that the diagonal size area of the cut block is less than 1.5 mm. The automatic palletizing system can divide 1,000 mm or 1,200 mm plates into the height required for packaging. The height of the stacking can be set to meet the requirements of the plate height for packaging and loading. The finished products can be packaged manually. It can also be equipped with PP belt P and belt PE film charter and other equipment. Realize the automation of production process and reduce labor cost.